Alright guys, le indlela engikhumbula ngayo mina ama reversal candlestick wami a bearish. Khumbulani guys, anginikezi mina educate bathini financial advice. Kodwa ngiyanisiza nje ukuthi nibe ne-information nikwazi ukuthi nibone izinto ezenzakalayo emarket. Ngesilungu bathi it's not to give you a financial advice but it's for educational purposes kuphela. How do I remember ama reversal candlesticks wami, especially ama sell candlesticks wami noma ama bearish reversal candlesticks pattern? Khumbulani ke guys, athi siqale ngani? Na morning star yethu nisayikhumbula yakhuphuka imarket yaze azofika kuphi kuyi resistance bafowethu. Na resistance efika makuyona safike sathola ini bearish engulfing candlestick, and it is the best position to sell guys. That is why we're saying we sell at the best price. We sell at the best price, or we sell best. All right, B is for bearish engulfing candlestick. Angithi nalibona guys, the body is overlapping ilo noma ikhandlela lethu eli green that is on the right, meaning that the bulls had power to push the price up above the high of the last skin candlestick, kodwa bahluleka angena ama bears lapha ya kuleya resistance ayipusha iprice aze ayovala below the low yekhandlela lethu eli green, making this one a bearish engulfing candlestick pattern. Eliphi ke elandelayo ke izihlobo zami yini evening star. So sesiyamove nje leli khandlela lethu leli mhlambe sizolibeka la, and then bese si create ini indecision candlestick yethu lapha ya right. Sesinani sesine bearish what evening star guys, iyafana ne morning star mani ibhekile. Ngithi niyabona, this is our bearish evening star. Usho ukuthi the bulls managed to push imarket all the way up. Mabefika lana saqala satrader above ikhandlela lethu lokugcina kwi uptrend, but savala below the high ekhandlela lethu lokugcina kwi uptrend, and sase siya consolidate. We came all the way down, but we failed to maintain the price lapha enzansi, and then ama bulls alpusha futhi lekhandlela kancane lazofika lazovala la. Ngithi yayibona lonto leyo. So si consolidate inside the high, and then si consolidate inside ikhandlela lethu eli green guys. Yes, so ibody yethu is between the high and the low yekhandlela lethu eli green. Ini leyo is a sign yokuthi ama bulls nama bears awaka decide ukuthi yipi position azoyithatha. Ingabe ama bulls azoqhubeka eye phezulu noma ama bears azoyiphusha ishone phansi imarket. Khumbulani ke konke lokhu kwenzeka kuphi kuyi resistance yethu. Angithi yabona lonto leyo, kuyi resistance yethu guys. All right, yeliphi khandlela elilandelayo is our shooting star. Is our shooting star. Okay, na ya umsila uzohlala ulapha ya. Sifuna ibody yehle ibody izofika lana, and then what do? We delete this one. Asalidingi leli siyalikhatha. So sisele nani manje? Ne shooting star. Yabona le? So yini lifana nehama lesibone ngapha enzansi, kodwa lena senjani isibheke phansi guys, meaning that ama bulls aye angena ngobuningi ayiphusha imarket yeza phezulu yaze yazofika la kulo high, kodwa ama bears athi no nidlalela kuphi kuyi resistance, angeke sinyekele, siyangena ngobuningi thina ma sellers sayipusha iprice all the way down yaze yazovala kuphi, yaze yazovala la. So sesiyazi ukuthi in this line ama bears angene ngani ngobuningi. That is why we wanna do what? We wanna sell the best, because sikuphi sikuyi position la sizothengisa khona at the best price. Yabona lonto leyo. Then ke eliphi khandlela lethu elandelayo is our tweezer top guys. Oh my god, as align ke ini ilow yethu, I mean ulayini wethu now ya ulayini wethu lapha ya So singaba nayo i-tweezer top, still sinani sine shooting star guys. Khumbulani ngithe yini ebalekile, okubalekile ukuthi i-high ithinte i-resistance ne-high ilapha ya ku-resistance yabona. So i-high yekhandlela eli-green ne-high yekhandlela lethe elibomvu ne-high yekhandlela lethe eli-green zikuphi, both kuphi at the equal position or the same position guys. So kungaba yikhandlela futhi eligcwele njengaleli, thola ukuthi opening wekhandlela lethu eli-ready is in a equal position nobani or same position nani no high wekhandlela lethu elinjani eli-green. So uma kunokuqondana okukhona lapha phezulu kwekhandlela eli-green nelibomvu, lokho kusitshela ukuthini, it is our tweezer top, the market is tweezing, is preparing to go down. Angithi ke niyazi ke uma sesikhuluma ngeza ama percentages nibonile ku part 1, part 2, part 3 wa candlestick videos. So if awuzange uwabone lawo ma video, go back to my YouTube channel uyobheka part 1, part 2, part 3 wama candlesticks, la ngikhuluma khona nge candlesticks uzobona ama percentages ukuthi adlala yipi indima. Uma ungabheka le tweezer top ivale ngaphansi kabani ka 50% wekhandlela lethu eli-green, and lokho kuzosho ukuthini siyaphi, we are going down because sivale kuphi at the best selling position, 50% off ikhandlela lethu eli-green. Yabona nto leyo guys. So we wanna sell where at the best price. Iyo indlela ongakwazi ukukhumbula ngayo ini ama bearish reversal candlestick akhona. Aswa recap noma asikhumbuzane, ubest umeleleni is a bearish reversal candlestick, u-B, u-E is a bearish engulfing candlestick wethu, and then u-E yini is a evening star, and then u-S wethu is a shooting star, and then tweezer top umelelwa ubani ngu-T. So B is for bearish engulfing, E is for evening star, S is for shooting star, and T is for tweezer top. We sell at the best price.